Thank you. This is so amazing. This is my year of transformation. I'm sorry if I'm crying. This is just so... Oh, I'm sorry. My mother croaked it earlier this year, and I am getting so much better at allowing things that are in my vortex to materialize for me.
Did you hear her?
Should I
Our
speak?
favorite subject, her mother croaked.
Yes, my mother croaked this year. She was a very worried person, and her croaking has set me free.
For those of you who think she's being disrespectful with the word croaking, it is actually our word.
I know, and that's why I'm using it.
We know. We just wanted them to know. We try to be disrespectful about death because there isn't any.
I know.
Yeah.
And she's in perfect alignment now, and she actually visited me this morning.
Yeah.
And she was trying to judge me for being here. And I said inside myself...
She what?
She was trying to judge me for being here. And I said, are you still judging me? And then it felt as if she was floating away.
This is a really wonderful conversation. And you're really going to like this. Moving the microphone around a little bit.
I love being here. It was my birthday yesterday.
Well, that's what she was really mad about. That was so painful. We're actually playing with you completely about all of that. But here's the most important thing that we want you to hear. So did you hear what she said? Her mother judged her for being here. And you've heard us say that when you make that transition into what you call physical death, that you leave behind all of that kind of stuff. All doubt and fear and judgment and negative emotion, you leave it. You don't take it with you. So settle into that thought for just a moment. But now, let's go to this new place that we are just talking about since we've been here together. So here's this vortex where your inner being is, in this pure, positive, high energy place with no resistance. And your inner being always calling you, always calling you. Now, in this case, it's your mother in concert with your inner being, calling you, calling you, calling you to a conversation, calling you to a rendezvous. But your beliefs about your mother didn't allow you to be here where she is. Your beliefs were down here. So her calling from your thwarted point of view, you were the one that put the judgment into the conversation, not your mother.
Okay.
Now, this is such a good conversation to have on all levels, because it's why your inner being is always calling you toward what you want, but what you hear and how it plays out. So this ties in with what we were talking about earlier about, is it possible that people show up in my life in order to help me to put more into the vortex? That's what that feels like. Well, what's happening is you're always being called toward who you have vibrationally become by your inner being, who has already become what you have vibrationally caused your inner being to become. But the way you hear the calling has to do with what kinds of conversations you've been having lately. It has to do with where you are now. And so that's why so many people, as they are wanting to think that they are visiting what is non-physical, put so much in the mouths of those that they are translating that could not possibly be there. Because when you have that death experience, you leave behind those things. You don't take that with you. This is the contrast of this time and place. It does not exist in that non-physical realm. Did you hear that clearly? Ooh, 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 ooh. And aren't you appreciating so much the conversation that helps you to understand how nobody's doing anything to you? So it's hard for you to hear. So let's say somebody makes a snarky comment to you. Abraham, are you saying that I put the snark in their comment? We're saying your vibration and how you feel is what has attracted this situation that you've interpreted in that way. You create your own reality. As soon as you really hear that, then you will begin to understand that the people who surround you and the way you perceive them once they have surrounded you is about you, not about them. Helpful?
Absolutely. And funny thing was that last night I was standing in the diamond shop, and the French girl who was in this seat at the beginning of this trip, she is in need of my services, and that's just so beautiful. So she manifested into my life, and I manifested into her life. I just wanted to thank you all for that. It's just so beautiful.
Law of attraction is matching a lot of things up. We just want you to be sure where you're at when the match happens. This is a really good time for a segment of refreshment.